Good evening. My name is Jalal. I'm going to present Data 604 final project. The project is about to find an American group of pulp and paper manufacturers, which is increasingly aware of inefficiency in obtaining wood as a raw material. There are some data provided. We have to find the baseline model data and solve a question, and the input model and solve some questions. The data here given is here. We can see the koala paper, bright and Papertec, and their daily consumption of wood and inventory cities are given here. We are focusing on here minimize cost of inventory, minimize cost of wood inventory, minimize delivery cost by keeping the storage minimum days, try to keep the inventory more than 20,000 tons to avoid penalty, and also minimize travel cost. There are also some data provided regarding on operation and average process time. There are few operations which is weigh in, which is 2 to 7 minutes, travel time determined by speed limit of the 10 mile per hour, and offload, weigh in, and crawler maintenance, which is 1 to 5 days. Now I'm gonna put the baseline model. So in the baseline models there are three companies: Koala, Bright, and Papertec. So Koala is random normally distributed here, and Bright also random normally distributed. So this is the subset of senior entities as follows. So this is the three entities. I have paper, loading, and truck, and I have the snapshot of loading operations. So here you can see the Bright source, the Bright load, and the Bright log. So this is the snapshot of my model and the snapshot of two senior model you can see here. So here are some other information I have. This is the following is the logging information provided in the project. So here is the logging information. You can see the yellow is koala paper, and green B, which is blue, is Bright paper here, and the red is Papertec, which is here. And spring calendar, this left side is the spring calendar, the right side is the winter, summer, and fall average. Also the season pattern is given here is ground condition, frozen, soft, dry, muddy. The frozen is 6 to 8 per day, January to March. Soft is 3 to 5, April to March. Dry 5 to 7, all others. Muddy all others. The number of load per logging operation were generated using a uniform distribution, and these where A and B are minimum and maximum load per day of the given session. For the individual load, where random number were drawn from a triangular distribution for each load. This figure was 0 if it rained on the day during April and May. Rainy days assigned number of generator hours occurs between 0 and 9. So from this calendar I have calculated this. I have calculated the weighted average distance between seasons in the logging operation. To list companies are as follows: for Koala 43 miles, for Bright 44.4 miles, and for Papertec 44.9 miles. No. So we have. So this is the states element process I've considered in the project. So the elements would be the following elements required for the model: the material elements, monetary elements, output statistics, tally statistics, states. So tally statistics are days rain, crawler fail, stock outlook, and love in when states we have the following unnecessary of the models: prior invoke, keep track of the last value in the inventory before process triggers, and replace threshold static figure of threshold to increase replenishing, and a factor weighting factor for the Papertec due to the higher consumption variability. So here is the process. We have the following process were required for the model: wood monitor process, crawler fail, rainy days, record prior info, low info process, stock out process, etc. So here is the log another for the distance. So by checking the distance, the weighted average distance between season and the logging operation to means components in the input model are as follows. For koala it's 27.7 miles, bright 27.7 miles, and Papatic 25.3 miles, 25.3 miles. So far I have finished with this and I couldn't get any answer, and I had a problem with running the Simio, so which I couldn't fix it. I think I need more time or more knowledge about the problem. This problem is really hard for me to solve and I could not solve it. But thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a good day.